This is my experiment rig for my pretend helicopter. So I sanded that down a little bit, got rid of most of the chatter from my last video. And this device is my control stick. I'm going to change it as well. So, golf ball, another golf ball, and overview, there, we can go any direction we want. So inside of here, the 3D printer is just awesome. So there, half-inch diameter ball with a hole printed with the hole in it, and then another golf ball drilled through. That curvature matches the golf ball, and down in the bottom here I've got another one that's very similar. Again, matches the curvature of the golf ball, and in that piece of nylotron in the bottom is another half-inch hole. So everything just stacks together, allows it to move back and forth. And the one thing that I'd like to change, I built this into a square piece of tubing simply because that's what I could get, but it needs to be round so that I can thread the outside and put a cap on it so I can apply some pressure down on this inner plate. That way I can vary the resistance or friction, and it will stay in place. If I move it, it would stay wherever I set it. Right now, well, kind of does, but if there was any vibration, it would just fall over. And the control wires, rods, can go here for these directions. And I had thought to put the other set on the back surface, sorry, of the plywood here. So there's the forward and back without any side motion, and those ones will have side motion. Unfortunately, I'll have to adapt for some back and forth. Here we've got just a rheostat, full bridge rectifier, capacitor, and that allows me to run my treadmill motor on 110 volts. My pulleys don't line up very well. They don't fall off, but they try to come undone. So on the 3D printer, I can make, well, not me, anybody can make whatever size pulley they need and whatever shaft size. The one that came out of the treadmill is 14 millimeters, and it wasn't the same as the size I needed on the top of the motor. Those are left-hand threads, by the way, which I'm not using right now. And so we'll give it a little juice. It doesn't actually hurt. It's terribly shaky, but that's because all of the apparatus is on one side.